In this video, we'll introduce two groundbreaking indicators that will enhance your approach across various financial markets from the Nifty chart to Forex, crypto, or stocks. Plus, we'll conduct a 100 trade backtest using a powerful app showcasing real results and offering you a first-hand look at the strategy's true potentials. We begin with the TraderXO Macro Trend Scanner indicator. Once added to your chart, will guide you through fine-tuning the essential settings. This remarkable tool streamlines your trading by automatically scanning the market. Additionally, it offers long and short signals, providing you with valuable insights to inform your trading decisions. But before we move on in our strategy, let's talk about backtesting, a key step in validating your approach. We recommend trying TraderEdge, a fast and user-friendly backtesting tool. TraderEdge stores your results and provides valuable data like profit factor and trade performance metrics. Give TraderEdge a try by clicking the link in the video description below. Now let's get back to the strategy and discover the super trend oscillator and how it can enhance your trading strategy. After adding it to your chart, we'll guide you through adjusting a few settings. This unique indicator excels at identifying trend directions. When the oscillator line is above zero, it signals a bullish trend, while a line below zero confirms a bearish trend. Now that you understand the potential of our two indicators, it's time to learn how they can work together to strengthen your trading signals. When the indicators align, your trading decisions will be backed by increased confidence. Consider this example. To enter a long position, begin by waiting for a long signal from the TraderXO Macro Trend Scanner. Next, cross-reference with the super trend oscillator to ensure that the histogram is above zero, confirming a bullish trend. Once both indicators agree, you can confidently open a long position. And to manage risk, place your stop loss at the recent swing low. Additionally, set your trade target 1.5 times greater than the risk of the trade to maximize potential profits while minimizing potential losses. And to enter a short position, start by waiting for a short signal from the TraderXO macro trend scanner. Then, cross-check with the super trend oscillator to ensure that the histogram is below zero, confirming a bearish trend. So, once both indicators align, you can confidently open a short position. And to manage risk, place your stop loss at the recent swing high. Additionally, set your trade target 1.5 times greater than the risk of your trade, aiming to maximize potential profits while keeping potential losses in check. So, you might be wondering, can this strategy deliver the results I'm seeking? The answer lies in backtesting. We put our strategy to the test on the Bitcoin chart using a 1-minute time frame. The results were impressive, a 66% win rate with consistent victorious that translated to a 253% profit, turning $1,000 investment into $2,530. But there's more. Our strategy boosted a profit factor of 2.91, meaning our total gains were 2.91 times greater than our total losses. Intriguingly, during the backtest, we experienced a winning streak of 13 trades and losing a streak of 5 trades. The maximum drawdown was a moderate 9.60%. And if you're looking for a high win rate strategy that can enhance your earnings, don't forget to check out this recommended video.